Live radish sprouts are nutritious, spicy, and very delicious served with bell pepper sauces. To make red and yellow bell pepper coulis, cut your peppers in half, remove their seeds, coat their outsides with olive oil, and char them under the broiler for 5 to 10 minutes. Then transfer the peppers to a bowl and cover with a piece of plastic wrap to steam for a few more minutes to make their skins easier to remove. When cool, puree the roasted peppers separately. Add 125 grams of roasted yellow pepper to a blender with a garlic clove, half of a small shallot, 30 grams of green grape vinegar, 100 grams of water, salt and pepper. Then puree and strain through a fine mesh sieve and repeat with the roasted red pepper. Mix about a cup of each flavor. Stored with a lid, the coulis will be at its best for about 3 days. To dress the spicy radish sprouts, add a teaspoon of red grape vinegar to a mixing bowl with a teaspoon of sunflower oil, a teaspoon of honey, a small handful of sprouts, or a quarter cup, a few thin slices of radish, salt and pepper, and mix to combine. To assemble the salad, add a few teaspoons of the coulis on either side of a small salad plate, then place the sprouts in the middle and serve with a salad fork.